Good evening, sir. I'm Rick Kim Anahaw. I am here to read the topics, all the titles from topic 18 to topic 25. Topic 18, Annex 2, Mandatory Regulations. Topic 19, Annex 3, Legislative Requirements. Topic 20, Annex 4, Mandatory Regulations. Topic 21, Annex 4, Legislative Requirements. Topic 22, Annex 5, Mandatory Regulations. Topic 23, Annex 5, Legislative Requirements. Topic 24, Annex 6, Mandatory Regulations. Topic 25, Annex 6, Legislative Requirements. That's all. Thank you, sir.